guys, welcome back to my video. At dito pala ay naglalaro tayo ng The Exit 8 at na-flashbang ako doon. Naglalaro tayo ng The Exit 8 here. Roblox lang, Roblox to guys, here. Oh! Busog ako. Sleep. Subway. Gusto ko yung Subway lang. At mga iba daw, mahirap daw tong game. Sinabi pa talaga ng friend ko, mahirap daw. At look at my name, I'm a legend. I can beat this game. Speedrunning. Bro, alam ko na agad to. One na agad to. Yo. I don't remember that picture, bro. Pero baka naglalag lang ako. Okay. Baka naglalag ako. Wala, wait yung picture. Bakit ganun? Okay. Let's go. Naglalag nga lang ako. Talaga. Okay. Hindi. It's okay. Okay. Nothing happening. Oh my god. Ano ba yan? Yan? Ayan. Di ko tinignan yan. Nagtatang click. Pero, I'm still keep going. Bro, oh my god. Speedrun. Okay. Tama. Tama yung vent na dito pa. Oh my god. Nandito pa to. Okay. Multo ba? Malapit? Hindi, malapit naman talaga yan eh. Let's go. Nothing wrong. Okay, wala. Yung mata ba? Gumagalaw? Hindi naman. At yeah, let's go! Finally, one na ata to. Please. Oh! Yes, 6, 7. Okay. Bro, no. Bakit same yung mga pictures? I'm literally going back. Now, same pictures. Okay. Wait, parang malayo siya ngayon. Yeah, parang... Yeah, bro. No, hell no. Parang layo niya ngayon eh. Please. Bro, I'm right. And, bro, bakit malayo pa rin siya? Hindi no, baka hindi yan yung mali. Okay. Nice and good, sir. Patingin ng mukha mo. Okay, perfect. Look up. Uy. Ba't wala yung letter? Baka naglalag na naman ako. Oh, hell na. I won't trust that again. Ano? Oh my god. Let's go! Keep left. And there's nothing. Okay. Right. Always right. Ito yung white na picture yan. Security camera and operation. Nandito yung mga letters. Alright. Okay, ayan. And may mali ba? Okay, wala namang mali. Dapat masagot na ito. Bakit ganyan? I think hindi yan yung mali. Oh, bro, I'm speedrunning, dude. Easy game. There's making alright. Bro. Alam ko na tong game na to. Yung mga pintuan, yung mga vents. Smoking. Hindi. Baka always right. Yeah. Left pa rin. Let's go. Exit 8. Alright. Okay. Wala namang ano. Okay lang. 6 na. 6, 7. Yo. Oh my god, ang lapit. Oh my god. Nagulat ako dun. Bro, horror nga talaga to. And yeah, di na siya malapit. Okay. Baka may bigger picture dyan. Wala naman. Okay, yung mga pintuan. Wala. Well, always right? No. Umashi. Exit 8. Bro, may speedrun natin to ah. Oh, this looks suspicious. Bro, why it looks suspicious? Oh! Oh my god. Bro, hindi naman to mahirap. Let's go, the heaven. Ah, flashbang! Oh my god. Yo! Ol. The underground passageway has been abandoned for 50 years. A person was found missing here. They were never found. Oh! Ah, flashbang! Yo, 5 minutes and 6 seconds ain't no way. Only one anomalies, yeah. Try natin 0 anomalies, okay? 0. If you find RSG, blah 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 blah, ay, alam ko na yung game. Huwag nyo nang sabihin sa akin. Yeah. Play the game. Okay. Ito yung ano. Never mind. So, ito yung trade. May secret ending. Ito yung bad ending na kuha na natin. Yung may anomalies. Yeah. Bad ending. Good ending. Try natin kuha ng good ending. Ano yung secret ending? Yeah. Paano? Uy, may green bean. No! Sayang. Green bean siya, bro. Bro, I love green beans. Okay. First, alam ko na walang anomalies agad sa first level. Yeah. Let's go. Time starts. Okay, speedrun lang natin. Speedrun. Okay. Nothing in here. Okay, wala. Mga pintuan, syempre. Baka may mali. Wala lahat. Let's go. Wala. So, let's go. I-speedrun natin to, guys. I-beat natin yung timer ko. Okay. Pintuan, syempre. Magalaw ka ba? Hindi. Okay lang naman. Lahat. Ba't ganun? Bro. Number 3 na agad tayo. Oh my god. Okay. Wala naman magbago. Okay. Ayun, pintuan. Ayan. Yung mukha ng tao, baka ano siya, walang mukha. Okay, anong hawak ng cellphone? Parang ng cellphone. Natatawagan na akong pulis. Lang. Oh my god. Okay, wala naman nangyayari. Good. Walang nangyayari. Okay. Speedrun. Okay, walang mali. Okay, walang mali. Wala lahat mali. Ba't ganun? Yo! Ba't ganun? Okay, baka itong isa may mali. Okay. Pintuan. Wala, yung tao, yung cellphone. Tama. Ingatan mo yung cellphone yan, baka nakawin ko. Okay. That okay. Yo! How? No! I'm rage baiting. Joke lang. Pero ayoko nang tapusin. Kala ko. No! No! Oh. No! Ain't no way. Ah! Ay lang yan. Okay, normal anomalies, no. No, hindi natin na speedrun. Oh my god, number 5 na tayo eh. Or 6. Ano na? 2, let's go. Yay, finally. Ready, this. Okay, wala namang nangyayari. 20s. Okay naman. Baka sweaty ka ngayon ha. Helmet lang muna ako. Gusto ko mag-break muna. Bro, I'm done. Okay, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Yep. So, bye-bye. Bro, I'm done.